1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here with another amazing video on our channel $1 Billion iTech. In today's video, we'll be doing the unboxing for Samsung Galaxy J1 Mini Prime, which is the cheapest smartphone of Samsung. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned and let's get started. So what comes in your box? Of course, J1 Mini Prime, quick start manual, headphones and power adapter. This is the late unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J1 Mini Prime. It is one of the budget mini smartphone from Samsung, which costs $75. J1 comes with the 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, 1 GB RAM and 8 GB internal memory. In case you are wondering, it supports up to 256 GB memory card. At the back we have 5 megapixel camera with flash plus VGA and speaker. The camera result is not that bad. If you try to take pictures of small objects, then this phone camera might disappoint you. One of the plus point of this mobile that I like is dual SIM, which supports 2 SIM cards. Bottom of this mobile we have mic and charging port. On the left side, volume button. The display size of this mobile is 4 inches. It's just an average size at this price range. On right side, power button. At the top we have audio jack. You can use all the apps like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and other available apps on Play Store on this mobile. J1 Mini Prime comes with the removable battery size 1500 mAh. This mobile comes with 2 colors, bold black and white color. At this price range, I would say it's an average mini smartphone. Again, at the end, not everyone can afford expensive smartphones. This is just a basic smartphone. You may not expect a lot from it. Let us know your experience about this phone. In terms of pricing and other added functionalities, I would say this mobile worth it compared to other mobiles in the market with the same pricing range. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.